Hello! In this video, I'm gonna show you how to scan QR codes without an app. You don't need any additional apps to scan QR codes on your RUGONE Xever 7 Pro. All you need to do is, when you open the camera, you can see it did not scan the QR code automatically, unfortunately, but you can click on this button right here, tap on Open Camera while using the app, and now when I scan it, it shows the link that I can click on. You could also just slide down from the top of your screen and find QR code scanner. Now it'll do the same thing. It'll scan it, open the website, and you will be able to view it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.